Are you trying to log into your Bank of America online banking? If you are, then you're watching the right video because I'm going to show you the steps that you need to successfully log in to online banking account of Bank of America. If this is something that you want to learn, then make sure you stick to this video till the end and let's get right into it. Either you can log in to your online banking using the app of Bank of America, but for this video, we're going to use the website. So open up your web browsers and search for bankofamerica.com. Once you're on this website, you'll see this interface. Now all you need to do is type in your details on the left side where you see this login box. So firstly, you need to type in the user ID that you created while signing up for online banking of Bank of America. So type in your user ID and then in the second box, type in the password. Make sure your password is correct, but if you don't remember your password or your user ID, you can click on Forgot ID or Password. And through this section, you can recover both your user ID and password by typing in either a card number or your account number of your Bank of America account, and you only need to enter in the last 6 digits. In the second box, you need to enter in your social security number or your tax ID number. And if you click on continue, you can easily retrieve or recover your user ID and your password. And lastly, if you want to save your user ID the next time you log in, make sure you check this box, but avoid doing this process if you're not using your personal device. After you fill in this information, click on login and you'll be successfully logged in to your Bank of America online banking. So that was a real quick and easy video on how to log in to Bank of America account. Be sure to subscribe to our channel and also turn on the notifications if you guys like this video. If you have any questions related to it, make sure that you comment down below. And that's pretty much all for today's video. I'll see you guys in the next one.